Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this goat meat stew. It's also called mouton or mouton, I think. You can tell me how it's being pronounced in the comment section. So if you think you're interested, you continue watching this video, subscribe, like and share with your family. Let's get right into this video. PS, this stew is very nice. So guys, this is it. I want to make goat meat stew. So I'll start by adding a little bit of water. The meat is a little bit blocked, so there is no water in it at all. That's what I'm adding a little bit. I'll go ahead and add onions, which is onions. Then this is blended pepper and chili. If you don't like your food to be peppery, your stew to be peppery, you can add just chili. You can blend just chili and it will still be nice. So that's it. Then guys, this right here is pepper, is the seasoning and salt. Then I'll be adding this curry. I love this curry so much, especially when you're using it for what's it called, fried rice. When you're using it for fried rice, it brings out the color, brings out everything. So I'm not going to finish it, just added like half, and that's it. I'll just turn it. I prefer to lift the pot and turn. And that's that about that. I'm going to leave it to cook for like 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, don't leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. Just cook it till it gets as soft as you want it, because this didn't actually take up to 25 minutes, so take note of that. Guys, you have to check regularly to make sure that the water is still in there so that it's not going to get burnt. We'll be right back. So guys, this is tomato, chili. They call chili shombo in Yoruba. Then there is what is it called, onions, which is albosa. Then this one, they call it tatashi. Oh, forgotten what it's called in English. When I remember what it's called, I'm going to insert it right there. So right now I'm going to rinse it and blend it. I have a very good blender which is going to crush everything. If you don't have a good blender, you can take it to the what is it called, the grinding machine to grind it out. So guys, this is it after I blended it. I'm going to put it on the fire. And I'll allow it to cook for a little bit. So guys, right now don't use your hand though. I love to use my hands. I don't know why. Guys, can you even see the color of the curry on the meat? Hence that is going to be very, very good for fried rice, as I said earlier. So guys, just turn it. It's better when you turn it like that. It's not yet cooked. And I'll be adding a little bit of water. So that's it. Be right back. This is the meat sauce. I'm sieving it right into the pepper, and when I finish sieving it, I'll just put the pepper back on the fire to continue to cook before I continue to the next step. So guys, I decided to show you guys what I use to season. I use so many other things, but this is one of my best. This is Maggi mix. It's so nice, and this is in ginger and garlic flavor. So I'm going to add it, and then I still use this Maggi Star. So this is why I don't like this. I don't like the seasoning on my hands, so just use it from there. And that's it, guys. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. I don't usually add my salt right now. I allow it to cook. So before I put my meat in, I'm going to taste it. So I'm going to know the amount of salt I'm going to be adding. That's how I do it. So after this just boils a little bit, I'll come back, add my salt, and then add my meat. And then the stew is done. See ya. Guys, this is so nice. You just need a little bit of salt to taste. And that's all. I'll be adding the meat. And I'll leave it for a little bit. Then I'll reduce the lights. And that's it, guys. So guys, this is the final result. You can leave it for a little bit more. Okay guys, this last stage, you don't need to cover the pot. When you don't cover the pot, it allows the oil, this oil allows it to come out easily than when you cover it. So you just leave it like this. For me, it's very okay like that. I don't need to allow it to stay longer because I don't like my meat to be soft. When you allow it to stay longer, it continues to cook. So that's it. And this is the end of this video, guys. If you love it, please subscribe, share my video, and I'll see you all in my next. Take care of yourself, and bye.